Ladies and gentlemen, this is your mentor, Master Trader Mishek Njao. The reason why I'm doing this video is because today I shared a signal on GBPUSD at 3 p.m. and my analysis was that we are going to get a buy, and we were to target 30 pips at a stop loss of 10 pips. That is my signal. And now I'm coming to take responsibility that I shared a signal and it didn't work out as we expected. Why? Because in trading, we must own up our mistakes. We must expect some losses, even as we're expecting profits. And if you're not ready to encounter losses, then you're not ready to encounter profits. So I'm coming here to take responsibility, and I'm going to explain what had advised the buy position signal that I had shared. Now, this being the template that I use, you can see this red line here. Actually, let me put it some white so that you can see it. Let me put some white line here. Yes, what's not happening? Yes, that is it. And this other one here. Yes, this other one here, let me put it white also. These are the trend line that I used to mark out the uptrend for today, because since Monday the trend has turned out to be uptrend, and therefore according to my analysis the trend has been uptrend. And when we woke up today, this is how the market looked like. So we started the day here, and this is yesterday's high. That's why I have marked this red line here. So this was my yesterday's high, and I had put some let me put it a little bit thick so that you can clearly see it. Oh no, I got it wrong one. What are you doing? Okay, let me just undo this one so that I do not get stuck here. So this red line here, I want to change the properties there and make it a little bit bold so you can see it as well. This is yesterday's high. This was yesterday's high, and it was a key level. And so the trend being uptrend, I expected that the market will go up. And now zooming in again, you see we came to another key level here, and at this point the price reversed, but it was not a strong reversal. It gave us a retest on this level, and therefore at this level it was a sure deal that there was a downtrend. This is what I looked into, and I knew that the market is going to go down, and I confirmed because I came in after this has formed, and I knew that now we are in some downtrend, but I gave it to around this key level here. So I expected the price to retest here before it rises further. I completely ignored this key level here, the trend line here, that indeed it was reversing and it was targeting this level here. That is what I missed out completely, and that is what made me enter that position wrongly. However, let's go to the trade. So the price came to this level here. You can see this level here. I'm basically like revising my analysis. This is where this thing came from. Okay. Very nice. This is what advised that that trade here. So the market came here, and with this candlestick here, which is a pimba, which is a hammer if you like, and forming an evening star, it was a clear indication of reversal. So at this point I expected the price will come back to this level or this level here, and before it did so, I expected that it's going to retest this level, which was again retested, retested, my friends. So this level again was retested. Sorry about that. This level was retested, and again with a strong, let me zoom in. Wait, what did you do? Now, what did you do? Let me not just zoom in. I don't know what's happening to my shapes here. Oh, no, it's a bad idea. But anyway, this area being retested, I expected with this rejection week, if you can see this around key level, liquidity has already been swept. So I expected this is going to be a true buy, and this is what I was waiting for. After this was tested, I waited for this. If you can remember that image that I shared with you on WhatsApp group, yes, it indicated that this is where we are going to get an entry. So the price was to come here, then retest here, and then we go up. And we want to go for 30 pips for the take profit and 10 pips for the stop loss. That means at this point, if we entered here at this point, we would have put our stop loss at the end of this week here, which was very good, 9 pips. Okay, so if we would have put here 10 pips, that would be good. So this is where we would have placed our stop loss, around here. We would have placed our stop loss around here. Okay, that is 10 pips. And then we would have placed, having entered from here, we would have placed our take profit 30 pips. That's around this place here. Yes, exactly there. So this is where we would have placed our take profit. So in this analysis by itself, we were very, very correct. Okay, this is where we entered our trade here, and we targeted here, but it gave us 10 pips, and then the market felt like no, we need to go down there. So when we encountered this again, because already the trend has changed, but Mishek was, oh my goodness, this time I think I was off the online, and that is how we got into a bad trade. Though it was profitable, because it having entered at this point here, we had fetched already about 10 pips before it went against us, and it swept us out at this point. Yes, at this point is where we were swept out, 10 pips. That's where we were swept out. So that is how that trade went out. But so my guys, if you entered that position, I take responsibility. I think I overlooked on that. Yes, so the essence would have been, yes, we wait for this one here. The liquidity was swept here, which is the same thing that we are looking at here, but it didn't work out for us. So this level was tested, okay, and then we wait for a retest. A retest was done here, where we entered a sell, and it proved to be very profitable till now. Some people are still making moolah. Okay, so at this point, that was a good entry, and here the EMA 50 crossed with price, and therefore the trend confirmed that it has changed, and therefore we were looking for further downside. And so at this point, I would have considered that the trend has already changed, and yes, the trend had changed from here, because we had a high, and then we started forming lower highs, and therefore from this point we got into something like this. So our trend had already very changed. Okay, and if we get another one here from this side, maybe parallel to that one, we would have seen that indeed we have entered into a minor trend, heading to this lower support level here, or to this EMA 800, which we missed out completely. And therefore, guys, forgive me for that, and we will look for more opportunities tomorrow. Remember, patience is a virtue, discipline is the life. So again, we do this tomorrow. We look for another opportunity. At 10 a.m., I will be doing another live analysis. So if you are ready to join my live trading group, kindly join me now. Do not hesitate. I do a monthly subscription of $25 per month. That is mentorship on this strategy and how we make money using this strategy. So every month we do $25. If you want to make money with me, let's join into this group now. See you around in the next video. So that's how we got into a bad trade today. See you around.